Good evening, my name is Elvis, and today I'm going to talk about enterprise design patterns, repository pattern. We will start by defining what the repository pattern is. The repository pattern is a structural design pattern in software development that acts as an intermediary between the applications, business, logic, and data storage. It abstracts the data access layer, providing a centralized way to manage data operations. By separating the data layer from business logic, it enhances code maintainability, testability, and flexibility, making it easier to work with various data sources in an application. In the part 1, the product class is created, which is simple, a model for a product. It stores its ID, name, and price. Additionally, it has a function to apply to discount to the price, and another function to display the product in a orderly way when printed. Okay, in the next part, the product repository interface is defined, which outlines the functions that any product repository should have if specify three mandatory actions. Number one, saving a product. Number two, finding a product by its ID. And three, finding products that are more expensive than a given minimum price. The implementation details of these actions are not provided here. Only the fact that these functions must exist is defined. This way, we can later create different methods for staging products without changing the rest of the program. Okay, in the part number 3, a real implementation of the repository is then created. Called in-memory product repository, which stores products in memory. It starts by loading 4 example products. It implements the 3 functions promised in the interface: save, find by ID, and find expensive products to find products that cost more than a specific price. Okay, in the part number 4, this part created the pricing service, which is a business service responsible for applying discounts. It takes a product repository to work with the products. It has a function that finds all expensive products, apply discounts, and then save the changes. This way, the service focuses only on the business logic and not on how or where the products are stored. Okay. Uh, Finally, in the part of the result, uh, this part shows how everything we built work together. First, a product repository in memory and pricing service that uses that repository create. Then all products are printed before any discounts are applied. Next, 10% discount is applied to the expensive products, those costing more than uh, five $500. Finally, the expensive products are printed again to verify that discounts has been correctly applied. This part ties everything together and demonstrated how the repository patterns works in practice. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your attention.